There's a new update to Descript Storyboard, and the new version is version 59, and I've already updated. And the reason for this is that it has some few very good updates to it. And to begin, we're going to look at the new caption stock templates, and they've added 15 new caption templates in various styles designed to make your vertical videos and clips for social media more engaging and accessible. So that's highly welcome in a way that if you can just grab a template, put it, and just change anything that you want and move along. So let's say we want to add a social or caption template to this particular scene, first scene here. I'm just going to come to templates, and then if you're somewhere up here, let's assume you're in your templates, you'll need to go to the gallery section here, and then you'll see captions, and then we've got the 15 new caption templates. So we've got the karaoke classic, karaoke skewed, and you can hover over each so that it autoplays for you to see what it looks like. We've got the karaoke one word, karaoke feature transparent, and then we've got clean shadow, white background, bold skewed, scroll down, bold yellow highlight, bold two words, bold drop shadow, classic, and then we've got classic outline plus yellow, outline plus green highlight. So those are the 15 new caption templates that you can use in Descript Storyboard. Highly welcome. They'll make you look like a magician when you create Alex Hormozi style TikTok caption videos, etc. super fast. So take a hold of this and use it, and we can actually just drag and drop this. I believe I see this in Alex Hormozi's video. We can change to match the orientation, and if we play this in this tutorial, so you can see what it looks like. You can adjust where you want it to be, and then we can say maybe you adjust the font size slightly, and as you continue adjusting, you'll see you'll actually kind of remain with just one word. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to, depending on the size of the text that you select here, but you can actually bring it down to, I think it was 135, should be something 125, so that we can actually fit something more right in there. So that looks good, and you can make the different changes that you'd like here. Change the font, change the different fields, change how you see the live texts, the color, etc. So it is highly welcome, and you can use it to spice up and create your vertical videos with captions super fast. So that is highly welcome, and that's update number 1. And then we look at update number 2. There's an improved canvas layer selection. It's now much easier to hover, select, and interact with overlapping layers. So let's say what we do. We're going to go back to the landscape orientation right here. So let's actually delete the caption track. So let's assume you want to select the text. Right click on this and then click on text. Once you do that, it's going to highlight the text. In previous versions, doing that did not really work the way it should be. So for example, now I can actually just move this text, make any changes I want to make to this text, make it smaller or whatever, change that particular box, all the things that I need to do to this particular text. And it's really awesome, because previously it was really difficult. Now just if I click outside, one thing you'll notice that is that the text is still selected, but if you hover or circle around slightly, it gets deselected. So you may wonder why the text is not being deselected, or whatever layer you've selected is not being deselected, but I think you need to hover over this. It's something that I've noticed. I tried to make changes, get out of that, but it was a little bit difficult until I tried to hover over that. So probably that's what they mean when they say it's now much easier to hover, select, and interact with overlapping layers. Not so sure, but that is how it kind of works to deselect a layer. For example, this one, let's say we've put the text here. If you click outside, it kind of doesn't deselect it, it leaves it selected, but if you just hover over this and just kind of move your mouse, it's going to be deselected. So maybe that's a bug or something. Next up, they've added a global background activity drawer, and this drawer improves the visibility of uploading and downloading files. You'll find it at the top right of projects and the drive view. So it's kind of more of this. You get to see if all your files have been synced to the cloud. They've been uploaded and downloaded both ways, so that's highly welcome. And this is the project view, and it's the same when you go back to the drive view. It's right here, and you can see that right here. So that's highly welcome. And then we've got you can move layers in and out of script. If you accidentally add a new layer, you can now move it into the script from the 3 dots. So let's click on the script layer here, and these are the 3 dots. You can remove from script, and then what do we got else here? We've got, you can add a new layer. You can now move into the script, but there is a caveat: the layers must contain audio to move them in and out. So that's the only caveat for that. The script layer needs to have that. If you're adding maybe a video and wanted it to be in the script layer, then it needs to have audio. So that's the only caveat. Add files to start and end of script, and start or end of script. You can now add new files beginning to the beginning or end of the script by dragging and dropping to the top or bottom of the script. So let's see what they mean. So let's assume to the top or bottom of the script. Let's see if we can get this. Let it go. Is there any change that is noticeable? Kind of seems like it just came in right here. We still have our, let's press on Control Z and do a media reference. So not sure how that goes, but let's so yeah, you can actually add it there. Just let it go there. It looks good. Now that is fine. Probably this is going to be important, especially for people who create intros. And then maybe you can decide for this one, select layer. It seems okay. Let's say script, and then we can say move forward, or let's say bring to front. Yeah, so you can play this. So that's what it looks like. That's what we get. And then we go to a video, etc. You can make different changes here, etc. So you can add media at the front and at the end. So that's what we got with that. And then now you can now select any resolution option when publishing. And if you aren't on Pro or Enterprise, you can upgrade to access 4K publishing. For quick recordings, the copy, link, and open share page functionality have been merged into a single button. So the copy link and open share page, and then recorder errors caused by some of the most common cases will give specific instructions and links to the troubleshooting page in our help center. So that's it for the version 59 release. So what's kind of most important to me is the new caption stock templates, and then the improved canvas layer selection right there. So that's highly welcome, and go download, check it out, and then see what we can actually get right inside here, so that test it out. And if you see any bug, just let them the folks at Descript know via Discord, etc. That's it for this video, and that is what's new in Descript version 59. Thank you for watching.